Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Quagsire from Pokemon. We're going to get started at the top of our page with the upper edge of the mouth. So we start on the left side, we're going to draw a curve going up and then back down on the right. Let's round this out and just pull it up towards the corners of the mouth. Now we're going to open up the mouth, so let's draw a large half oval, starting at the bottom of this curve. I'm going to come down towards the bottom of the mouth, round it out and pull it up on the right side. Now I want to show the upper edge of the tongue. So we're going to start on the left side, we're going to curve up and then back down. In the center of the mouth, we're going to step up and draw the nostrils. So on the left, we're going to draw one short angle line coming down and in, and one on the right. Now let's go ahead and draw in the eyes. So on the left side, draw one circle. I'm going to fill that in black. Now we're going to move over towards the right side, lining this up. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's go in and draw on the head. We're going to start on the left side here. We're going to draw a curve going up above the eyes and back down on the right. Now on the left side, we're going to round up the head and then just pull that in towards the base of the neck. Now on the right side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw this curve coming in towards the base of the neck. It's going to curve down, around, and then in. Now back on the left side, we're going to round up the edge of the neck, come around towards the side of the body. Just going to round this out, come back out towards the left, now all the way down towards the bottom. We're going to round out the bottom of the leg. Come down, and just pull that up. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to round this out, come out towards the right, round out the side of the body. We're going to come down to the same height, and then round out the bottom of the leg. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve, going up the middle, and then back down. Let's go in and add the arms. We start on the left side up here. Start by coming down and in towards the middle. We're going to leave a gap in between the hands. We're going to round out the finger, and then curve that back out. Let's add 2 more fingers. At the bottom of this finger, we're going to curve down and back up. Now we're going to draw the 3rd finger. Now we're going to curve this in so the arm gets narrower as you come up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. We're going to start at the top of the arm, curve down and in. We're going to round out the finger and go back out. Let's add a 2nd finger, curving down and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go all the way around and then pull it up towards the top of the arm. Now on the right side where the head comes in, I want to add a little patch. So we step up, curve down and in. We're going to round this out and curve down and out. Now let's move down and draw the feet. On the left side, just on the inside edge of this curve, we're going to come down and out towards the toe. We're going to round out the toe and pull that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Lining this up, curve down and out. And round up the toe and pull that back in. Let's add 2 more toes on either side. So on the side of this toe, we're going to curve out and then in. And then the side of this toe, we're going to curve out and pull that in behind the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the tail over on the right. So on the side of the leg, curve out, and then up. We're going to round this out and pull that back down in behind the body. Now we're going to add that stripe in the center of the tail. On the top, curve up, and then back down in behind the body. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Quagsire from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.